Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Sam's phone code uses 4 different digits from 1 to 9. The first digit is 6. The other 3 digits must all be even. List all the possible 4-digit codes that Sam can create. Okay, so I'm going to go through this question with you guys because this question is a little bit tricky. So we know that the code has 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know that the first digit is equal to 6. This information is given. Now the other digits must be even and they must be different. Okay, so the other 3 digits must all be even and they must be different. So what are the even digits from 1 to 9? Because look at this, the code uses 4 different digits. Okay, so let's quickly answer this question. What are the even digits from 1 to 9? The even digits from 1 to 9 will be 2, 4, 6, and 8, right? But we already used 6 as the first digit. So we cannot use 6 again because the digits must be different. So we are not using 6 again. So we can only use 2 and 4 and 8. So we need to arrange 2, 4, and 8 in all possible orders. So the first possible 4-digit code will be 6248. And then the second possible 4-digit code will be 6284. Okay, let's try another one. The third one can possibly be 6428. And then another possible 4-digit code can be 6482. Okay, what other possible 4-digit codes can we create with this information? What about 6824? And there's one more, guys. What about 6842? Okay, so here we have all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 possible codes.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.